Cottontail, take the...
Wowe fata umufuka nawe. Nawe uragenda karabaye. Nambaraga bafite.
Wet Willie.
Got it.
Nazo dukora iki? Nyamukubite urushi karabutaka. Aha, kamaze mukubita imbwa y'urushi. Urushi aramukubita yewe ubwo mu gutwi. Undavayo rakata. Petero aje imbere. Petero vuba vuba nk'umukoboyi. Ahanga bafungura cya kintu aragifungura. Motera arayasamisha. Aha, araparika. Sasanga mu gihe aparitse. Kano kwitsimba biranga ubutwi buri hejuru. Kabuzamuye. Barabafungiye ubutwi bwako. Takatata ubutwi. Nikavuga ubutwi rakajya bafunza amatwi yako DC. Bafunze ubutwi kuno barabufunga. Arafungura we. Ubutwi bwose dore bwagondamye. Bwagondamye. Arayagorora ntagororoka. Aragororoka we. Amatwi yanjye yakora neza kabisa. Bari bayahinnye. Aza kureba ikiri imbere y'imodoka. Ava yakono kakagurya isasa. Bagashenziwe. Kanze ngute mu mazi ntuzongere kumenyera. Hasobo yane bakotse ngure. Ubangarebye nagaruka arimo. Harimo kamera yiwe. Bwabaye muki. Kamera yaguye mu mazi. Benjamin bamukuyemo kare cyaje baparika. Dere ngabo doko barunguruka bose nukurirana. Nuguparamana.
Okay, big guy.
Mwana mezeza muvandimwe. Meze neza. Bamushenzo za gatongo feje wame muki. Wambeshe ngoza ngo twirukanka kandi uzuko nyina ntajya baca kwirukanka.
This isn't a joke, Pete.
Ibi rwose na Pete ngaragara imikino Petero urumva.
I'm sorry.
Basi Pole. Bakane imbabazi.
Right?
Pole.
I got your jacket back.
Kandi rwose Pole abahanga aha.
Because mine, you know.
Bose Pole yabo nukwambara na mugenzi nuza.
Brown too, which is a mistake.
Kozanya ibihanga.
Brown.
Ewana kabisa.
Brown, who wears that?
Abo ntabwo asanga njya kundongoroka.
Cheap.
Yeah.
Sasanga myenzi cya Benjamin gifite n'amabere mo biragaragara ni iki kirabyibushye cyane.
And we think you're naked.
Giteye nk'ibikobwa.
I just looked for the buttons.
Nyine rwose amapesi nagafunga gusa nyine.
It was your nipples.
Amabere yaragaragara. Ayiwe. Kanifuhisha. Kirihisha.
You got it back?
Ni cya Benjamin.
Thanks to him. Look at him.
Sasa uyu mujinga asigaye ngaho tumucunge tunamukobesha.
Now turn around and drive us
Yakomeje batwara arigendera. Agehera.
to the area.
Karabaye angane tugiye.
Just using more fuel, not a surprise.
Arahanga aranyuze gusa sanse yatembera umujyi nawuzi. Naga namenye asanga yanayobye.
Throw it.
Ariko nyine nta kundi ne handa zataha.
Spread that.
Turya umunyenga sha.
Cut. If you do a U-turn, it's actually a safe place for a U-turn.
Sasa ngara batwaye ntaga kata bakenga kore U-turn asubire iyo baturutse. Ntaga asubire baturutse bakomeje agenda jimbere. Akomeza kugenda.
London.
Yewe twinjiye London we twinjiye mu mujyi. Bwakuriye mu cyaro mu ishyamba bwinjiye mu mujyi.
Appreciate this, Flopsy.
Mbega umujyi mana we mujyi rwose barawumbwiye ngo umujyi ngo nusanzwe rwose ngo ni kaburimbo. Ngo umujyi wose ngo hari robine. Ngo hari ngo na za robine zivamo fanta. Kubanga aho yaje aha.
Wow, this must be Harrods.
Wow. Classy.
Araho yaje angane bahazi.
I have a vermin.
Aza sasa mwiduka mvuga mfite ibintu bya nzonzi wanje vermin. Ni mfite inkorogosho mu nzu yanjye.
Fee's neighbor.
How do you know that?
Kubanga baramuzi bose.
She did?
Karetse zo mu cyamenye so bazo batuye.
Want to sell your house?
Aba nabo baramuzi ko aturanye na Beatrice ajya ngurusha n'inzu ye.
It's a profit, so
Yaje hanga avuga ko ufite inzu ujya ngugurishe inzu yawe wahawe na so wanyu.
store preferably near Harrods, so they can witness their own downfall.
That's incredibly specifically accurate and a little disappointing.
Sasa nga bamuvuga vuzeho cyane baramuzi ko ari umuturanye mushya muri quartier.
Aprons.
Ariko hari kimugenzi.
Only one thing.
They're hedgehogs.
Just make sure she doesn't find out you're launching them rabbits. She loves them, like family.
Read their lips, Mopsy.
Ajanga nyuzwe yagura ibi bimeze ngo byamufasha kugira ngo yirinde inkwavu. Agure udusasu duturitse inkwavu, agure imitego batega inkwavu. N'imiti yindi yica basuka ku bintu inkwavu zajya zigapfa.
Genuine human
Ngana witonde rwose uriya mukobwa akunda inkwavu ze cyane.
I think she's just
Na so wanyu yaje akijya ngo zice gusa twajya tumubuza ngo nazice.
Which is why I think she's just got a thing for most man butts. Huh?
What would you suggest?
None nkora iki?
fence will keep him out.
Nawe ikintu wakanda washaka fence urugo ruriho umuriro.
To launch him, you'll need some firepower.
Ndetse rwose uriya rurikoresha urupangu nyine ruriho umuriro ntago zakoraho. Banga inkwavu zamukurikiye yazumvishije ziri hera. Ziri hehe? Ziri manga enshe zankurikiye nazumvishije. Ziri hehe? Ziranyitsimbye. Ameze nk'umusazi.
I want to launch them.
Namba rwose mumwereze urwo rupangu rw'umuriro mbereke. Kumbanga zivayo ha mwana muzi n'ibindi katubayeho. Kumushenzi yatuze kumbanga do niba ritsimye imodoka indana vayo.
I've got 11 more ribs.
Na rwose mfite imbavu nyinshi sigaje kazanga mbasa sige mvunye rumwe kuko zo nsigaje.
On each side.
What?
which is technically
bafite imbavu nyinshi
because they go
avuna urundi
up,
rubavu
get down to 90.
ndaruvunnye bravo avunnye urundi rubavu rwiwe